Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Hey nobodies. Hey guys. Hey. Hey guys. Hey. So guys, you already know what it is. You already know what it is. What we got going on, guys, is the nature cereal from the TikTok video, guys. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna put my bowl up here, guys. And I was challenged, I guess, by more AJ. It's taking me a while to do the challenge, but I'm doing it. But yeah, guys, we got the video coming. Nature cereal. We have blueberries. We have strawberries. Let's see what is really hitting on y'all. And we have blackberries. That's going to be a lot, look like. And we have the gems. We have the gems here, guys. They smell good. That's a good one. I don't know how much it's supposed to be, but pomegranate gems. I'm going to put some oats in mine, guys. For my own reason. Vanilla and blueberry granola with flaxseed. And we have the coconut water, guys. Shake it up. It is now 12:57. I'm starving. I just got back, guys. Me and my sister walked the trail today, and that was maybe about 3 miles or so. I'll say. Not quite sure. We didn't do the whole trail. We just did partial, and then we walked around Willow Park. It's a park here. This looks really good. Looks really good, and it smells so good too. So, yeah, guys, I feel great. I haven't had a smoothie since Sunday. I haven't had any of my fruits either. So I've been feeling a little bit off, guys. I need my fruits. I need my smoothies now. Hashtag drink up with AJ. I need my smoothies. These smell so good. Look at that, guys. Take a bite. Looks good. Take a bite of that. That's a good thumbnail. Amen, amen, amen. Y'all, my head cut off, but it is what it is, guys. I was trying to come home hurriedly in a fast mode to do this video. I went. My daughter's on her lunch break at 12:20, so I had to take her. She wanted some Reed's, which is a wing place, a soul food place, a seafood place here in Douglas, black owned. But she wanted a hamburger with some lemon pepper wings and some fried pickles. I had to hurry up and come home, guys, and eat my fruit. I was tempted to get some wings. Okay. I like mine better in a smoothie, I must say. It's really tasty, really crunchy from the granolas and the pomegranate, I guess. It's crunchy from my granolas, I guess. Let's see. I think the pomegranate's crunchy too. It's good. It's really filling too, because I can feel it. You guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this. If you're going to try it, it's pretty good. But like I said, I like my smoothies better. Pretty good and healthy. Them granolas. The hard blueberries from the granolas. I like it. Sour taste. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to answer the phone. I was trying to hang it up. As you may notice that I am draining the coconut water off mostly. This is actually good. Ooh, tangy. Ooh, sour. You guys take another bite. You guys don't forget. Woo, that's sour. Woo! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and share me out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for so much support and love, guys, that you show. Just want to say thank you, guys. I'm not going to call anybody out particularly, but if you guys want to do the nature cereal, go ahead and do it. It's a healthy treat. I'm very excited to eat it because I haven't had my smoothie. I haven't had anything that I was doing on my health journey. So I'm glad to do this challenge, or this video rather. It's very enjoyable. And filling. All right, guys. You guys have a good day. Thank you.